This video is about what it was like driving on New Year's Eve in Sacramento, California yesterday. The last time I drove New Year's Eve, a very busy day and night, was in 2018 in San Francisco. And I was able to earn over $600. Because of the pandemic and everything, I haven't been able to drive on a New Year's Eve, so I wanted to give it a try here in Sacramento. My goal was to hit $400. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my strategy, how I worked with the bonuses, how I managed my hours, all of that. And that was all yesterday. Today is New Year's Day, so I want to say, woohoo! Happy New Year! And stick around at the end of the video. I'm going to share with you, did I hit my goal? And if I didn't hit my goal, why not? And if I did hit my goal, how did I do it? And I think you're going to be very fascinated by what transpired. I've got a lot of footage from on the road. So let's jump right in. Hey everybody, it is Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy. And I don't have a coffee, so I got to start this over. Right, hey everybody, it is Jay Crater with the RideShare Guy. And I got my Nespresso. Smells so good. Okay, by way of background, let me share with you my strategy for the day. My goal was to make $400. I was going to break my day into two sessions. First was the morning, which I was going to start at 4 a.m. and go till about 10. All right. And in that time, at $25 an hour as a minimum, I would make $150. Then I was going to take a break. I had some things I had to do and start back up at 4:30 and go until 1:30 in the morning, taking about, a break in the middle there. So that's another 8 hours. That would be about $200. And then there were some bonuses that could get me over $250. 150 plus 250 would put me at $400. All right. So that's the background. Now we're going to jump into number one, bonuses. Okay. So what you see right here is the first bonus, which is with Lyft. And these are the streak zones. So there were no bonuses in the morning, but with the $18 streak zone starting at 4:30, I was pretty sure I could hit that. Then the next one you see is what Uber was offering. So this would start at 6 o'clock, right? So at 6 o'clock, could I knock out 11 trips in 5 hours? I would have from 6 until 11, which I thought I could do because I average about 2.5 rides per hour. So that would give me a total of 70 plus 18, $78. So now if we take a look at the numbers, you can see the morning session, 150, the evening session, 200, the bonus is 88, total projected revenue, $438. So that was the plan. So what you're going to see now for the next few minutes is live footage from the road where I kind of narrate what happened throughout the day. All right, leaving the compound. It's raining, which means it might be raining tonight, which is not good. I don't like driving in the rain in the dark, but I've done it and I can do it. So no matter what, I'm going forward with the plan for today. First stop is gas. I already got my coffee made. Let's see. I'm gonna do my morning shift. I got some things to do in the afternoon, maybe take a nap, and then I will shower up again and resume for the evening shift. Let's see if gas prices have changed any. Nope, still $3.85. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what we can do. 402, going online. Oh, first ride, 15 minutes. All right, I've done 3 rides. First ride was unbelievable. I picked up a woman who was in a car accident. She was a passenger, and she literally sobbed the whole way. I don't think I've ever had a passenger in my whole career that distraught. I waved some tissues at her. She was just in shock and upset. She spent the whole time talking to someone, and boy, just brutal. And as you can see, it's raining really hard. Very tough driving conditions because the rain's so heavy it's pooling. So you got to drive super slow. I bet there's going to be a tremendous amount about 3 hours in. This rain is brutal. It has not stopped. I hit a flooded area and it made my car make a weird noise for about a half hour, but that's gone away. I think it just had to drain. Really brutal. It's 6:47, so the sun will be coming up and that'll help a lot. I sure hope it doesn't rain this hard tonight, but we'll see. All right, the morning drive is done. 6 hours in. I did better than I thought. I think I'm at about 220. So 220, and then we'll see what I can do later. I'm gonna take a break now for 6 hours and come back at 4:30. It's still raining like crazy. I've seen more accidents today. I mean, I saw a truck literally do like a 360 on the freeway and crash into the side railing. I'm getting ready for round two, and I've decorated my car a little bit. There's a Happy New Year. Got some Happy New Year stuff, some stuff like that. All right, getting ready. Here we go. All right, here we go. Round two. As you can see, it is 4:10. It is still raining, but not as hard. And I've got a bonus that starts at 4:30. So I got to fill my car up with gas and then go to a zone, which is about 10 minutes away. Okay, I'm about 3 hours in. I gotta say, driving in the rain like this is kind of like hell. It's dark. Your car makes all kinds of noises because there's so much water. There's so many people on the road. It's just brutal. But I did get two of my bonuses already, which was great. And I saw I got a $10 tip. So just gonna keep plugging away, driving safe and slow. Check in another couple hours. Here I am on the freeway. As you can see, I'm stopped. Another accident. This night is crazy. You mix alcohol, celebration, rainstorm, windstorm, and cars, and you got a world of hurt. This is what it sounds like. Got this heavy rain, splish splash, the car kind of skidding along in the water. It's dark. You see the red in the cars in front of me. You gotta keep your distance. It's kind of an assault of the senses. It's intense. It ain't pretty out here. Video entry, 7:40. I'm calling it. I'm not gonna make it to midnight. This storm is crazy. I've seen more accidents, more trees in the road than I think I've ever seen. And it's only gonna get worse with more people driving drunk. So for my own personal safety and my car's health, I'm calling it. Okay, number 7, I'm back. Final results. So what you're looking at right here is the image that told me I was done. I dropped off the passenger. My car is making this horrible squeaking noise, like something was dragging on the ground. And the tree was in the ground in front of me, and you could see all the leaves. And I just said, nope, I'm done. All right. So I dropped off the passenger and I was on my way back home. All right. So how did I do? So what you see here is the final tally. I cashed out with 170.52. Okay. That was the first cash out. And that was from Uber. And then I cashed out 179.90. And that was from Lyft. So I had a total of $350. So I didn't hit my goal, but I came pretty close. And given that I was short 6 hours, not so bad. Now, what I did just go and do is look at my car. And what you're seeing now is a picture of the underside of my car. And as you can see, the it's called the splash guard I found because I have to replace that part. Took a wallop from one of the branches that had fallen on the ground and broke it, bent it, and caused it to drag on the ground. And that was the sound that I was hearing. So key takeaways here. As I look out the window, the sky is blue, the wind is gone, the rain is gone. Here's a nice image so you can see. I don't know if you can see the little hummingbird there. My car needs a little repair job. I'm going to change the oil as well and get it up and running as fast as I can. The overall takeaway, though, is even though I didn't hit my goal, I went for it. And in my life, what's important to me is that I'm in the game. You know, I just want to be in the game. And I was in the game yesterday, and it brought out the best in me, and it really challenged me because it's just a really intense driving experience in the dark, in the rain, in a storm, with things falling and cars crashing all around you. And I'm glad I did it, and I'm glad I stopped when I did. I slept through New Year's night. You know, when it turned midnight, I was sound asleep, and I slept from 11 till 7 and got a good night's sleep. So happy New Year's. And I hope you achieve all the dreams that are, you know, the most valuable to you in the new year. So this is Jay Crater saying goodbye. Take care of yourself. If you haven't subscribed yet for this channel, subscribe. Great content every few days, and it'll make you a better driver who can earn more money. Okay? Take care of yourself. Take care of the people you love. Be safe out there. See you next time. Bye-bye.